That's a wild one. That's gold. White Mountains. Sick.
Water running over rocks.
Oh.
Wow.
Alright.
Sorry. Ran right into you.
Okay, I'll be walking around with not paying attention like a damn marine anyway.
There you go.
Over the other one. Yeah.
They have been extirpated from Missouri. They're trying to introduce them.
That was between Mexico and New Mexico.
Okay.
I witnessed some starting behavior. It was sniffing some of the pages over there, and then they flipped over from the wind and it jumped back.